If you're looking for something bitter, try our new summer Negroni. Your regular Negroni, so it's always three parts. So it's like you've got your gin, your vermouth and your Campari. So that's quite bitter, but what we've done is made a summer version of that, replacing the Campari with a Davo plum, made with local ingredients in Spotswood. It's a little bit more elevated sweetness to it. It's using real grapefruits, Davison plum, and they're all locally sourced here in Victoria. Ideally, you'd like to use a mixing glass or some sort of vessel. You'd build that with ice, 30 mils of gin, 30 mils of sweet vermouth, and 30 mils of Davidson plum aperitif. So you want to then start stirring. It's a slow, controlled stir. The reason why it's different to a shake is a rapid dilution, breaking the ice up quite quickly, where this is a controlled dilution. What you're looking for is the edges of your ice cube to start to round. That's when you know your dilution is working. And taste as you go until your desired taste is reached. So this cocktail is a twist on a classic cocktail, but this is more an approachable, for someone that doesn't like the big bold flavours of a traditional Negroni. This is more of an approachable drink if you're trying to get into something that's similar to a Negroni.